What's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, and currency. We're looking at Cardano, price action, interacting with a potential bullish area of technical support, in my opinion. However, we do have some Robo advisors still bearish on price action, which does suggest potential, sell pressure present for us at the moment. If we look at our previous buy signals coming into play, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bullish on price action at $1.28 per Cardano. And then over the following 37 days, we experienced up to 141% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $24,000 just by sitting around and looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 86% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so there are many different robo advisors available, so it's key to pick the best 3 that suit your trading strategy. And once 2 of your chosen 3 robo advisors suggest bullish or bearish price action moving forward, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. And so at the moment, we do have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors bearish on price action. When we have the double confirmation of 2 of our chosen 3, we experienced up to 20% in downside in just over a week after EngineeringRobo became bearish, and we technically are still, over 8% down since those sell suggestions came into play. I do believe perhaps further confirmation of support may be needed for us moving forward. We do see a lot of buy pressure present for Cardano, and I very much suspect the uptrend will continue. However, in my opinion, perhaps further technical interaction with this, key level here of support, $2.18 is going to be the key level I believe we need to continue to hold before we can be more comfortably bullish on accumulating at current levels. I believe the uptrend will very much continue once it is ready, but personally I would like further technical confirmations. Once support has been solidified at $2.18, I believe we are making our way to my immediate short-term target of $2.84 is going to be perhaps a significant level of resistance that we see some interaction with. We also need to consider the $2.44 level, which is currently the 0.786 Fibonacci Lamborghini level, which is just a key level to consider as we make our way upward. I'm looking for further technical interaction with $2.18 as support. Once buy pressure has solidified that area, we will make our way up to $2.84. A failure to hold this key level, which we may be slipping beneath once this is confirmed as potential resistance, which would look like a break downward and interaction kind of upward toward it. If $2.18 becomes resistance, I'm looking for potential support around $1.92, which is currently the 0.618 Fibonacci line, which we've had 2 very bullish interactions with so far. A third bullish bounce off of it may not be impossible. Right now, we're looking for technical confirmations currently in a bit of a deciding zone. I would like some EngineeringRobo advisors to become bullish on price action before comfortably accumulating. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with Cardano. Where do you think price action is headed to? Now, we're taking a look at FTM against USDT Phantom coin. Price action experiencing some very bullish upside as we set some higher highs here relative to swings back at the beginning of September. Currently sitting on some pretty nice gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions back at the end of July of this year. We have 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors suggest bullish upside around 22 cents per FTM. And then over the following 73 days, we have experienced up to 989% in gains, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $100,000 just by sitting around smelling it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, currently you are still sitting on over 784% in gains with no significant signs of selling at the moment. We have robo advisors becoming bullish on price action again. We do have that sell for coming into play on the 21st of September. However, that was only 1 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bearish on price action, so we wait for 2 of our chosen 3 to give that confirmation before making an entry or exit. So you were able to hold through this sideways and brief downside here, and you're currently sitting on a 10x in gains with signs of continued upside. In my opinion, we do have a pullback and retracement toward potential support around this $1.93 level, maybe buy pressure present for us, which was maybe a key level we interacted with on the 9th of September with that swing high. I believe a more significant area of support may be present for us around $1.69. A retracement to that level would not be impossible before we see the uptrend continue. However, I do believe we are very bullish at the moment, and the buy pressure is present, and we very much could experience some volatile upside at any moment here. We're looking at a current dip that may be in a bullish time for us to be accumulating. I'm looking for further interaction with this support, and once that has been confirmed, we can get more comfortably bullish on the uptrend, continuing accumulating. Right now may be subject to the highest chances of short-term downside as we establish support in the immediate short term. Once we've bounced off that key level, we definitely will experience some further continuation of the uptrend. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Let me swap over to DOT against USDT Polkadot coin. Price action currently interacting with some key levels overhead. There may be some resistance present around $36.85. I do believe price action will experience some overhead sell pressure until we can plow through this level and confirm it as support. And once we have found support above $36, we can get more comfortably bullish on accumulating at that level. In my opinion, that may be resistance for us overhead. However, we can consider these two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on price action again as we battle this overhead resistance. We are expecting a break upward here. If we were to continue to get beaten and slapped around by this sell pressure overhead, we may make our way down to a potential bullish area of support for us down at $27 in my opinion, which is going to be the kind of bottom-ish area of this phase of consolidation and accumulation we've had for the past few weeks here. Another interaction with $26 would be very bullish for us, and I do believe support is present down there if we were to make our way to it. We're looking very bullish with these buy signals pressing up against current resistance. I would like a break to and through and then retest downward of that level to confirm it as support for me to be more comfortably bullish. If we look at our previous buy signals coming into play, we have two of our chosen three robo advisors suggest upside around $15.26 per dot. And then over the following 47 days, we experienced up to 154% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $25,000 just by sitting around smelling it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 102% in gains if you waited for two of our chosen three robo advisors to become bullish on price action. You were able to easily double your money with the Engineering Robo's buy and now sell suggestions. And so I do believe a more bullish opportunity to be accumulating this coin in anticipation of upside will present itself for us once we have established ourselves at key areas of support. In my opinion, I'm looking at $36 as current resistance. Buy signals coming into play. We're looking very bullish. I'm waiting for this break upward here. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Now we're taking a look at Ethereum ETH against USDT. What do we have here? Price action making its way back to and through this is 0.786 Fibonacci level. $3,455 was potential support for us. I was suggesting this retracement downward and pull back toward this key level for the past couple days here. So far price action unfolding as planned. I'm now looking for continued interaction with this $3,455 level. If that continues to express sell pressure and resistance for us, we may make our way down to this key area of potential buy pressure present for us, waiting all the way down at $2,988 per Ethereum. We can be still bullish on accumulating at that level if we were to experience the downside that takes us to it. So far, we have one of our chosen three robo advisors confirmed bullish upside on the 5th of October. We do have our two of our chosen three robo advisors trying to become bullish with today's candle, which has not yet closed, has more recently opened. So once this candle has closed, we can confirm this buy signal attempting to print. If that buy signal remains when that candle closes, we can use that as a bullish confirmation of accumulation, and we can expect the uptrend to continue. I'm now looking for further interaction with $3,455 moving forward. Once that is established as support or resistance, we will make our way to some of the next sort of key levels. Over the next kind of couple of days, I'm looking for what the 0.786 Fibonacci level becomes for us. Let me know down below what you're doing with Ethereum. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently interacting with, aggressive buy and sell pressure present, causing some, indecision in the market as traders take profit from ludicrous gains, and new traders come in and buy Bitcoin, buying the dip in anticipation of continued upside. Currently in between some key levels to consider here. $51,784, the 0.786 Fibber rigatoni level, may be support for us moving forward if we were to experience any sort of pullback, retracement, or short-term downside, which is very healthy for any uptrend. So I do believe a pullback would be still bullish in my opinion for us. We will have to watch out for this potential resistance present at $58,867 per Bitcoin, waiting to give us a hard time as well. So currently looking to establish support and resistance in my opinion. We're looking like some very volatile price action in the immediate short term here as we establish those levels. If we consider the fear and greed index, I am considering potentially a $124,000 Bitcoin before any sort of prolonged significant downside is to be expected. I believe that is where we will be met with some very significant sell pressure once we make our way up to it. We've been consolidating in a very bullish manner, very sideways, and very accumulation phase for these past kind of few weeks to months here. I do believe a break upward is pending. All three of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action, so I do believe it is very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. Technically, I would like further interaction with some key levels here to be more comfortably bullish on accumulating at current levels. In my opinion, there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times, and right now we may be looking at some of the best times to be buying Bitcoin. I believe buy the dips while you can, in my opinion. Let me know down below your thoughts on the crypto sphere here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.